welcome to the first episode of Top Wash TV. My name is Todd Perkins. I own a couple car washes, and so constantly fixing something, and usually I'm just trying to figure it out. And so I figured I'd do some videos on how to, so you can learn from my mistakes. Today, I'm dealing with a problem at my car wash, and I don't know if you've had it or not, but about every other day I get to the car wash and lower canister door is open on my vacs, dirt is on the ground, and I'm trying to figure out how to stop that. So in this box, hopefully this is the answer. J.E. Adams has a security door lock kit that you can add to your J.E. Adams vacuums. Let's open this up and see what it is and see if we can install it and make it work. Let's open it up, unbox it. For our wash, we order most of our stuff through CleanRite. So, might not think that this looks super exciting. This is hopefully going to save our vacuums, and when we get there in the morning, we don't have dirt all over the ground from people going through it. So let's take a look. So we have a bracket. And a bracket there. Lastly, rivets. Okay, so this is what it looks like we're going to need to do this job. First, for the rivets, there's 7 rivets. I just have a little manual ratchet rivet puller to use for that. Need a drill with a 11/64 bit, and should be that's it. So let's just go to work. Again, let's go outside and see how this all fits together. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was informative. By no means am I an expert at this. I'm just in the trenches every day trying to maintain my own car washes, and just think that this would be a good way for other people to learn from my mistakes. If you like it, subscribe, thumbs up, and keep washing cars. I'll keep trying to do videos and cover car washes from top to bottom. Thanks.